Our special guest has arrived. Here. Oh.
It's my day and Mary's day.
Woo! How are you feeling?
Oh, fine.
How's your morning been so far?
Awesome. Really slow. Drinking my tea.
Oh.
Yeah, I've been done.
You're going easy this morning, huh?
Drank a lot of water.
How was your night last night?
Terrific. Got awesome sleep. Ready to just get at it.
Happy wedding day! Woo!
From the other side of Thompson Street, I felt love for a little while. 'Cause you looked beautiful in the sunset glow, in that sunset glow. You look more beautiful than anyone I've known, than anyone I've known.
You find your best love when you're just in your moment, you know everything is right, and I'm so excited for you, Paul and Mary. Congratulations. Love
I'm
you.
Hannah, and this is my 5th drink.
We love Hannah!
Mary and Paul, I love you dearly. My advice was to just always forgive each other and remember to keep it spicy.
You look more beautiful than anyone I know.
Mary, I don't know anything about love or marriage, but I know at one point you did believe in it, and now I do too. Aww.